tuned Trackhawk versus Mercedes AMG GT-R.
Bro,
this thing kicks you in the seat.
I throw a bottom pulley and upper pulley, and these things are gonna be freaking kicking ass.
Oh man, this thing leaves hard out of the hole. So much harder than the stock one we rode in. So much harder. Good stuff, man. This thing's super badass.
Probably over 5,500 pounds in this thing.
Oh yeah. Oh, for sure. This thing's badass, man. Thanks for coming out.
Hey, thank you, bro.
You got a hell of a Dodge lineup. So you got, just to give the fans an idea, you have the Dodge Demon, you got the Trackhawk, and you have the Hellcat, which I think you guys are maybe doing some goodies on. I don't know if you can talk. Can you talk about it, or is it under wraps right now?
It'll be ready soon.
Okay, so we'll come around the shop when it's ready and give people a sneak peek.
Yep, we'll be ready.
Yep.
We'll do a track rental.
Thanks, man.
All right, man.
All right, so we're back with Brooks from Drag Times in the Huracan, and we're going up against the Mercedes AMG GT-R.
From a dig.
You guys doing a dig?
Yep.
Oh, nice.
That was a really good start.
This thing leaves.
Yeah. That was a good start.
Oh yeah.
That was legit.
Alright, so go back around and do a roll?
Yep. This Huracan always seems to do a little better than most think. I don't know why.
Honestly, this thing,
completely
it's
stock.
impressive.
Like, I swear, it's stock, you know?
This one was broken in right. It's a couple extra horses. Just trying to pull a UGR on you? 40. This is 40. Yeah, it's getting sick.
Nah, driver fail.
Driver fail. Okay. Wrong mode, right?
Yeah.
Let's try this again.
Come on, bitch!
Oh, man.
Wow.
Talk about a race.
That's a good one.
Talk about a race.
Nice.
Hey, that was an awesome run.
Yeah, that was
awesome
good.
run, man.
Dead even. He's going the wrong way.
He knows them a little bit. But man,
I'm happy with that.
it doesn't get closer than that.
I was a little worried about losing.
I'm extremely impressed with that thing. He said it only makes, what, 577 or something? Or
This is 610, right? So I bet that's lighter than this.
it could be.
It looks smaller.
Yeah.
cones now?
Yeah, it was second cone. He was just a little ahead of you.
Yeah.
But no, once you guys were going, you guys locked in mile an hour.
Yeah.
So we're here with Michael and his absolutely gorgeous green. What color is this?
Green hell.
Green hell. Oh, that is so sick. So it's a 2018 Mercedes GTR, right?
Yeah.
Wow, man, this thing is just really a showstopper.
Oh my god, I have no idea.
It's so amazing. So is this stock or is there anything done to it? Or?
Completely stock.
Completely stock. Awesome.
Yeah, nothing done to the car.
Awesome, dude. These things are definitely known to just really handle really well around the track. Yeah, just the details on the car and everything is just beautiful. Going up against 2019 ZR1. This thing works out of the hole, big time. Works really well, man. Hey TRC fans, test your car's performance directly from your phone using our new Android and iPhone application. Download it for free today.